Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys how you can log in into your net banking account. To do so, just follow some simple steps that I will show you on this in the video, and then you can log into your bank account as well. First of all, you need to open up your Google browser and then go onto your search bar and just type for net banking login and hit on enter. After you do so, many results will pop up on your screen. Click on the first link that says HDFC Bank Net Banking. And here, this will take you to the official login site of net banking, where you need to input your customer ID or your user ID to log into your bank account. Now, just input your customer ID or user ID right here, but in case you forgot your customer ID, you can just click this button, Forgot Customer ID, to help you reset and retrieve it. After inputting your personal details, now just click on continue and then you'll be transported to a different page where now you need to input your password as well to fully log in to your bank account. Here, just input your password and then click on continue or login, and then you'll be logged in into your net banking account. And that's how you can log in into your net banking online banking account. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.